Namaskar. Today's topic of discussion is power and bandwidth of amplitude modulated wave. First, हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बैंडविड्थ ऑफ एम. Bandwidth of AM. What is the bandwidth of amplitude modulated wave? As we know that the resultant amplitude modulated wave is given by AC 1 plus Ka m of t cos of 2 pi fct. We already discussed different components of amplitude modulated wave in our last lecture. And m of t, message signal, is equal to am cos of 2 pi fmt, and c of t, carrier signal, ac cos of 2 pi fct. Now I am using these values in my resultant wave s of t. Then s of t is ac 1 plus ka. In place of m of t, I have written this expression and 2 pi cos of fct. Now we will expand the equation. After expanding, we will get like this, and ka and into am we can write down mu. Then the equation is like this. This is nothing but multiplication of two cos term. We can convert this multiplication. Can I convert like this? I converted this multiplication into addition term by using trigonometric, and the resultant equation is like this. Now this addition term, this frequency fc plus fm, this frequency component is called USB upper sideband, and this subtraction component of frequency is called lower sideband. It means your s of t is combination of your carrier. If you will check, this is carrier plus USB plus LSB. This is final wave of your amplitude modulated wave. You will find three components. We will discuss. This is the, after simplification, these three terms comes. Now taking Fourier transform. After taking Fourier transform, you will get Fourier transform of AC cos of 2 pi fc delta f minus fc plus delta f plus fc. Similarly, the Fourier transform of these LSB and USB. As m of t, we assumed am cos of 2 pi m fmt. So its Fourier transform is am by 2 delta fc minus t, and similarly carrier is AC. Similarly for carrier, AC by 2 delta f minus fc plus fc. Here I am sorry, here fm. Please correct it. Now if I will plot this, I will plot this, because m of t, if you will see, it's a impulse function. That's why I plotted like this. C of t is also impulse function. That's why I plotted. And the resultant wave Resultant wave means AM modulated. If I will plot this, then it will be like this: FC plus FM, FC minus FM, minus FC minus FM plus FM, like this. Now, if you will see here, bandwidth, bandwidth is nothing but bandwidth of AM wave. Bandwidth of AM wave is nothing but 2 times of FM. In some books, because here I am considering this a single tone, in some books it may be, you may find like this also, some triangular shape, spectrum will be in triangular shape in general case, then it will indicate your LSB and it will indicate your USB. Similarly, this indicates your USB and this indicates your LSB, and you will get bandwidth is equal to 2 times of maximum frequency present in modulating signal or message signal. Power of AM. Just now we saw S of t, amplitude modulated wave, is combination of carrier plus LSB plus USB, and S of t is AC into 1 plus Ka m of t cos of स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ AM. मैंने क्या किया, अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूँ, AC cos of 2 pi FCT plus AC Ka m of t cos of 2 pi FCT. This represents your carrier and this represents your LSB plus USB, और कंबाइंडली हम इनको क्या कह सकते हैं, साइड बैंड्स. सो carrier power is nothing but mean square value of CO2 is nothing but AC square by 2. Similarly, sideband power, we need to calculate with the help of this, and this is K square AC square by 2 and mean square value of message signal. This represents mean square value of m of t. If m of t is am cos of 2 pi fmt, then mean square value will be am square by 2. Then I will put here, then sideband power will be Ka square AC square divided by 2 into am square divided by 2, and it will be K square am square by 4. And if हमें एफिशिएंसी कैलकुलेट करनी है, एफिशिएंसी कैलकुलेट क्या करनी होती है, आउटपुट अपॉन इनपुट, हेयर आउटपुट क्या है, यहाँ पे आउटपुट है क्या, आउटपुट मतलब जिसके अंदर आपका मैसेज सिग्नल है, और मैसेज सिग्नल किसके अंदर है, जब आप देखेंगे मैसेज सिग्नल इस इक्वेशन को देखेंगे तो किसके अंदर है, साइड बैंड्स में. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं, आउटपुट मीन्स power of sideband divided by P total. After solving this, you will get efficiency is equal to mu square by 2 plus mu square. म्यू की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या होती है? मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ म्यू इज इक्वल टू 1. दिस इम्प्लाइज एफिशिएंसी इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइड बाई 2 प्लस 1. एंड इफ मैं कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ percentage, means I need to multiply percentage of efficiency, then it will come 33.3%. This much is the efficiency of AM wave. You can see only this is the efficiency, then how much power is going to be waste, वो हम अभी बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे कि कितनी पावर वेस्ट हो रही है. Just now we calculated efficiency is P power sideband power divided by total power, and it came like this. And as we know, as P total is equal to P carrier power plus P sideband. By using equation this and equation this, इन दोनों इक्वेशन से हम लोग क्या कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं? पी टी इज इक्वल टू पी सी इंटू 1 प्लस म्यू स्क्वेयर बाई 2. दिस इज अनदर रिलेशन विल कम. Relation between total power and carrier power, and in some books you may find pt by pc is equal to mu square by 2, or this is also another relation. Or if I want to calculate in terms of current, then I total I square r is nothing but power. Here ic square by r, then 1 plus by 2, and this is the relation between IT is equal to IC into 1 plus mu square by 2 whole under root. This is called current relation. This is called power relation. This is called current relation. इस लेक्चर में इतना ही. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. धन्यवाद.